In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tune on classes in QuickBooks. If you've ever wanted a clearer way to segment your income and expenses by department, location, project, or any custom category, turning on classes in QuickBooks is the key. It helps you slice your financials in a way that's meaningful for your business, so your reports tell a more complete story. Let's get this set up together. Start by heading to the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen. Look for the Settings button. It usually appears as a small gear icon. Click that, and from the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This is where all the core preferences for your company live, so it's the right place for enabling features like classes. Once you're in Account and Settings, glance over to the left-hand menu and click the Advanced tab. The Advanced section groups together powerful tools that affect how your books behave. Don't worry, we're only adjusting one simple option today. Now, scroll down until you reach the Categories section. This is where QuickBooks keeps options for organizing your data, including both classes and locations. On the right side of the Categories row, click Edit. That will expand the settings so you can make your change. From here, turn on Track Classes. You'll see a simple toggle or checkbox to enable it. Once it's on, QuickBooks will begin showing a class field on your forms, like invoices, bills, checks, and expenses, so you can assign each transaction, or even each line, to a class. You may also notice a couple of preferences related to how classes are applied. If you're just getting started, keep things simple and focus on enabling the feature. You can always refine those details later as your workflow evolves. That's it. You've now enabled class tracking. Going forward, when you enter transactions, you'll be able to select the appropriate class, so your reports can break down totals by category. This makes it easier to compare performance across teams, see which services are most profitable, or understand how different parts of your business contribute to the bottom line. A quick tip as you roll this out: plan a short, consistent list of class names before assigning them broadly. Consistency prevents messy reports and saves time later. And remember, you can return to the same categories area anytime to adjust your settings as your needs change. With classes turned on, you're set up for smarter, clearer reporting that supports better decisions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra insight this feature brings to your books.